Hi, Jeremiah Lumen here with SOTAR, Whitewater Rafts. We're going to do a quick demo on our current D-7 valves. We get our valves from Leafield. They are high-grade plastic. They come in two components. So a D-7 valve is labeled D-7, spring-loaded. So if you want it to deflate, make sure you push in the spring and rotate to the left 90 degrees. The spring remains in. Will allow air to come out. If you're inflating your raft and air comes out immediately, it might be stuck in the open position. To lock it closed, push down, turn to the right 90 degrees, it'll pop out. If you are noticing that there's an issue with leaking around the valve, make sure it's nice and tight. You can get a nice, neat tool from NRS. We also sell them. The valve comes in two components, an internal piece and an external piece. The internal piece has a trough here that's going to bite down on the raft material and make the raft material like a gasket. So by compressing it, it will make the seal. If leaking is happening around, you just need to tighten it. So I've got a boat here, the valve, it's inflated. You want to have it inflated when you tighten it. Take your valve wrench, put on the outside of the valve, it fits nice and tight, and give it a nice tight. That's as tight as it can go. That valve is not leaking. If you have an issue where it's leaking out of the cap, the main seal is a rubber gasket here in the cap. If that gasket has failed or you're missing a cap, we recommend replacing the entire cap. If your valve breaks completely, the internal component, the boot, will remain inside the tube. You can either have the tube inflated, which is the best way to do it if it holds air. You can then get it started get it loose, then deflate it, unscrew it. Be careful when you take it all the way out that the tube is completely deflated so that it doesn't roll to a different part of the boat and you can't find it. Then you go get a new valve, take the top part out, screw that back into the old existing internal piece, tighten it down, and then inflate your raft and you're good to go. If it leaks after you've installed a new one, make sure you tighten it down extra tight after your boat's inflated. And that's the Leafield D7 valve.